our humble campsite. See guys, what's in here? Yan, pag kukuha kayo ng ganyan is 2,500. Ito lahat dito, 2,500 along the river. Pero kung may tent kayo is just 250 per head. Yan. Dami dun guys, papunta dun. And with kayak. Kayaking kayo, pwede. Swimming in the river, malalim. Malalim ang tubig dito. Diyan, sa likod.